Cooler Master? What is this? Like, it's literally so big it can barely fit in the frame, but really, since when does Cooler Master do streaming gear? Like, I'm not complaining and I'm happy you guys sent me this, but like, why? Either way, let's see exactly what this Cooler Master Streamenjin has to offer. Oh boy, do we have a lot of goodies in this box. We have one mysterious package, then we have the Streamenjin itself, and then we have some other box of goodies as well. So yeah, we have a lot to get through. Honestly, this thing is heavy. Like, I knew it would be. It packs a lot of, you know, stuff inside of it to be capable of being an all-in-one streaming mixer type of deal, but wow, is that heavy. And honestly, kind of good looking as well. There are already some scratches though in this brushed finish here, which is kind of disappointing to see. And now for the best bit. Oh yeah. Oh wait, that isn't even the whole peel. There's like another one here and it ripped already. Oh man. Yeah, those scratches were literally just on that peel. Never mind, I take back everything I just said. So yeah, prime lesson in why protective peels are actually important. So like I said, the Streamenjin from Cooler Master is supposed to be this all-in-one streaming interface that does quite a few things, which you can probably tell from the I/O at the back as well. We have a 1/4-inch mic input. Stereo audio, is this input or output? I actually can't see, I'm assuming input. You really don't need outputs on these. USB, Ethernet, and then we have two HDMI inputs, so unfortunately they are only 1080p, which, I mean, whatever. And then you also have, actually do appear to have a 4K input as well. That is actually pretty cool. As long as it can output 4K as well, that'd be fantastic. And then I actually have no idea what this is here. And then on the side, you have even more stuff. You have a headphone out for feedback, and then also a link USB Type A cable. I'll get into what that means in a second, but let's get this thing fired up first. Though probably the most insane thing is that you can't even use USB Type-C to charge it or anything. It requires a kettle plug. A kettle plug, which I assume was included in the mysterious white box. It was, though it's the European one, so we have a bit of an issue. Wait, really? We get European, and this is American, I'm pretty sure, but no UK. I mean, hey, that's Brexit for you. Ooh, we have lights. We have lights, that's a good signal. It's counting up to something, I don't know. So how exactly you can utilize it? Well, of course, you can hook it up to OBS and then run everything into there and then into your PC, but it can actually stream directly from this. And in fact, you can also do another very clever thing with it to give you a bit more functionality, and that is connect either an Android or an Apple tablet to it to get even more use out of the Streamenjin. And I just happen to have a tablet right here, so let's give it a go. So there's even a slot right here for your tablet. It should work with pretty much any size tablet. It is like rubberized, at least kind of, so it should be able to adapt to like whatever size you're using. Okay, and apparently connecting it up via USB isn't enough, because then you also have to scan some QR code to connect it. Now this is actually interesting. It doesn't seem to work. It's telling me to press down on this button and hold it for 3 seconds, and then apparently something's supposed to come up on my screen, but nothing is coming up, so Cooler Master, you lied to me. Either way, let's talk about some of the other things you can do instead, which you can kind of see right here. All your transitions, all your effects, stuff like volume, and what sources are visible and what isn't. All of it can be done through here. It can be integrated into OBS. It is absolutely fantastic. Though, of course, if you are already using other streaming ecosystems, it might be a bit annoying having to work in between them. And because this thing is connected to the internet, you can stream from right here. You have all the settings right here at what kind of resolution you want to stream at, everything. It doesn't actually support 4K, which is disappointing. So if you want to stream at, you know, a better resolution, you're gonna have to still do that from OBS or whatever. And man, I would love to show you more of what this thing can do, but this button, it ain't doing anything. They're literally telling me, press this button for 3 seconds. That's what I'm doing, and still nothing. So, this is kind of an awkward video. Either way, you get the gist of it. It's an all-in-one streaming interface mixer, whatever you want to call it, and it is pretty cool. The thing that isn't cool though is the price, so yeah, I'm kind of happy I got it for free, even if I can't get it to work right now. And if you want to kind of see what it can do, I'll be definitely trying it out in some upcoming live streams, so definitely check it out. And especially when we're out in the field doing live streams at tournaments, stuff like that, this is going to come in super handy. So if you want to get one yourself, and hopefully you can have better luck setting it up, then make sure to use Amazon links down in the video description below. And while stay here, maybe check out our Patreon, because even a single tournament truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. And also to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, Eki Justin Rage, Ella Broniak, John, Bartosz Velka, Max Sumner, Shane Ulprof Lansby, Jesse Hubman, and Sharon Odgun. Down here you can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.